you to a place where happiness lives, a place of wisdom and
Hello everyone, my name is Emily. No, I'm Emily. I know, they know. Anyway, welcome to Kids African Drama course. Today we are going to teach you class 8 of basic exercises. The first beat is slap, 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 bass, bass, bass. The second beat for the other person is bass, tone, bass, tone, bass, tone, slap, slap, slap. Let's play it once on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Get it? Now let's play it 4 times on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our basic exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos, and please share with your friends and families. Goodbye.
we welcome you. We welcome you.